Why are you taking this course? You've been told all your life that money can't buy happiness.
Can money buy happiness?
No.
How many times have you heard that? And it's wrong. Now, it can seem true. You probably know people who have very little money and seem quite happy. So we're not going to argue here that money is the only route to happiness. And you probably know other people who are wealthy and miserable. Just look at the headlines in the magazines at the grocery store checkout. Practically everyone seems to be having a nightmare or a heartbreak or a breakdown. So having a big paycheck isn't a guarantee of happiness either. You have to spend it right. But if we take a closer look, we'll discover that there are ways of altering our life satisfaction by working with money. I'm Randy Patterson. I've spent most of my career helping people to find happiness in their lives, either by overcoming crippling anxiety or depression, or by taking people that are in the mid-range of life satisfaction and helping them find the elements that will boost them further and let them live the best lives they can. And that's our mission. This course isn't about combating depression or overcoming a specific diagnosable disorder. It's about boosting your life satisfaction by using money. Along with the course, you have a workbook to help you apply the ideas to your own life. I suggest you print it out and work through it as you view the lectures. Listening to me is not going to make you any happier, but creating change in your life, that can. So let's get started. First, we need to get past the idea that happiness in life is like a light switch, on or off. You're either happy or you're miserable. Let's change the concept from happiness to life satisfaction and change it from a dichotomy to a continuum. Now let's arbitrarily say that it goes from 0 to 100% and that 50% is the neutral point where you're neither happy nor unhappy. Let's take a snapshot right now of the people in your neighborhood. People are all over the map. And let's take snapshots of you over the course of a single day. You're all over the map too. But we can average out the people in your neighborhood, and we can average you out too. And most people would like to average out a little higher than they do. You will never get to 100% life satisfaction 100% of the time. No one does. But you can raise that average point by quite a lot. In your handout package, there's a quick one-item measure for you to rate your own life satisfaction this week. If you want, you can re-rate it every week from now on to see if your score improves as you apply the concepts in this course. Because regardless of where you are on a scale of life satisfaction, our task is to lift you up using money. To this end, you're going to need some things. It'll be useful for this course if you have some records nearby that you can consult. If you have credit cards, then your most recent credit card statement. Also copies of your ongoing bills like heat, electricity, water, phone, cable, internet, and maybe your last income tax return. No disaster if you don't have those, but they will help. In a few lectures, we're going to take a look at them.